Hey, everyone. It's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I know you have been watching Mighty but Small coming up for our February event. And what does this mean? It means we love all things mini, and I want to be here to show you the Diamond Design Company from Etsy. They are our sponsor for Mighty But Small, and I received this in the mail about a week ago, and I wanted to open it for you guys. So it comes in a white bubble wrap, huge like envelope, making sure that you get your package sturdy, and then of course it's shrink wrapped. And then look at this. Isn't this cute? So for the price, I am getting Paws of Love. And it's 20 by 20 square, and there's nine of them in here. And let's open up and see what's inside. Are you ready? One, two, three. Voila! Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. This is my first unboxing for the Diamond Design Company. So we are going to put this right here on my desk, and we're going to go through, as you saw. What I love about this is, look, these are square and these are individually packaged. And why do I love this? Because if you bought this, you would have nine gifts to give somebody or nine things to do yourself. And you could get them up in something that you wanted to get up instead of all of them, because then it would be like 60 colors and you'd have to figure out how to pick that up. Where this way you have nine individual ones. So we're going to put those aside. And then inside, look at this cuteness. And what I loved about this is, look at the fact that, sorry, my screen's blurring it a little bit. Look at how much white is on the outside. Amy did a wonderful job of making sure that although there is white, there's not a significant amount. And I'm excited because right now in January, we're doing blinging in the new year. And I am so excited because I'm probably going to do some little stars or a heart, like maybe take this and put it down here and expand it. Because if you look, you can see, okay, how many down, how many across, and you can mimic that everywhere. How adorable! And they're doing the little heart, right? Like the little I love you for January. Okay, so these are absolutely stunning. We've got the little chick, we've got the tiger. Oh my gosh, the polar bear! So cute. And you've got the hedgehog. You've got the monkey. You've got the brown bear, raccoon. Oh my goodness. You've got the alligator and you've got the squirrel. The fact that there's all of these different characters is great. Absolutely great. Let me take the blur off the background, right? Let's see what we're going to do here. Do, do, do. There we go. There we go. Okay, so look at that. So you get that, and you get print offs. Okay, so each one of these, the squirrel has 33 colors, the alligator has 37, the raccoon has 26, the bear has 21, the monkey has 24, hedgehog has 27, the polar bear has 32, the tiger has 25, and the chick has 23. And they average, if you can see here, most of them have three. There's a couple that have two. The yellows are the specials, and you've got some ABs and some dust sprinkled in there. And then not only do you have those printouts, but you also get these sticker sheets. How adorable are these? You can cut out the thumbnail up here, and then these are already pre-cut, so you can kit up And then you have your standard, looks like there's a single placer. You've got some tweezers, you've got a tray, and you've got some multi-placers in there. And then let's look at these drills. Now this is square. So here on the drill, it will say, okay, it's not on the canvas, it's on the sticker sheet. So on this sheet, it'll say right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here, it'll have the 1 behind it. So this is for the squirrel. And the squirrel has 3 specials. Let's look at these specials. So you've got 66 AB. You've got 304 fairy dust. And you've got the 5200 fairy dust or dust drills. Now, looking at these, look at the squirrely colors. Take a close look. Do you see any trash in there? Any knobbly bits? They look pretty clean. I can't wait to dive in and see these. I'm going to put this back in here. I'm going to put this back in here. Now, the fairy dust is actually the white all the way around. So each one of these is going to have that extra shimmy, shimmy. Oh, he's upside down. Shimmy, shimmy all the way around. So the mighty but small is for all things mini. We're looking at something that is a 20 by 30 or smaller, or 30 by 40 or smaller. So these are perfect. Excuse me. So tired. All right, so these are perfect 20 by 20. We can get this done, right? And she has a whole bunch more over there. I can't wait. I actually got some Care Bears from Reagan for the Reagathon, and I'm going to be unboxing those next. So please check these. See, look at these colors, right? And the nice thing is that fairy dust, here's the alligator one. I am probably going to have some left over so I can save them to help bling out other options. So please go check her out. Yes, great price over on Etsy, the Diamond Design CO for company. And Amy Sma is going to take great care of you. So until next time, be blessed, take care. And I can't wait to see you February 1st for Mighty But Sma. Check out the Facebook group if you want to join us. Bye bye.